Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is a survey on ciphertext policy attribute based encryption approaches to data security on mobile devices and its application to IoT. Let's see the abstract. The growth in cloud computing and the ubiquity of IoT devices to access cloud services has generated a new paradigm. While the benefit of storing and accessing data in the cloud are well documented, there are concerns related to the security of such data through data corruption, theft, exploitation, or deletion. Innovative encryption schemes have been developed to address the challenge of data protection in the cloud and having greater control over who should be accessing what data, one of which is attribute-based encryption. ABE is a type of role-based access control encryption solution which allows data owners and data consumers or users to encrypt and decrypt based on their personal attribute. A number of ABE schemes have been developed over the years, but ABE in IoT has established its own paradigm driven by the use of IoT devices to access private data hosted in the cloud and the physical limitation of the IoT device to perform complex computation. In support of encryption and decryption in ABE in IoT is an evolving research field, but given the breadth and strength of interest at time of writing, it's timely to perform a survey. Due to the sheer volume of research, the survey has focused on the aspect of ABE ciphertext policy attribute-based encryption in line with its prominence in ABE in IoT research to date. Further, given the significant development and interest in IoT, the survey has been since extended to assess whether the research into IoT device has been translated to the application of attribute-based encryption in IoT, where the challenges to support complex computation and data transmission are potentially more complex given the much greater heterogeneity and resource restriction of IoT devices. This is the flow. First, a requester will register and get access from the authority, and after login, the user can upload or download a file in a cloud, and you can see here we'll upload the file and encrypt the file and store in cloud. For download the file, we'll download from the cloud, and we have another phase which is power calculation. Here we'll calculate the consumption of power, and you can see power generation, power transmission, and power consumption will be calculated here. In power generation, we'll initialized power generation, and second one is power transmission. This is the capacity of the power station, and the third thing is power consumption. So this will be calculate the power consumed by this uploaded file. And for encryption and decryption, here we will use the attribute based encryption. Let's see the running process. First, click on home.java, right click on it, click run file. So we'll get this page. Click on sign up. Click on sign up. Successfully register. Then click on username and password. Sign in. Again success. So you have these things. Next, click on admin login.java. Right click on it and click run file. You will get this login page. Here we have to fill the admin username and password. And click sign in. And we have to initialize the power and view file request and power consumption calculation. First click on initialize power. Now I am initializing the power. 3 power station have been generated. So this is the power generator in power station 1, second and third one. And click on store. It will be stored in the database. Next one is power transmitter. So now I am selecting 5th power transmitter, generate. So transmitter capacity in voltage and storing it. So after this is the view file request. So first we have to upload the data. First click on upload, browse file. So you can select whatever the file you want. I'm just selecting this file 1.txt, opening it and upload. So successfully file is uploaded. Then request to the cloud to upload the data. And here you can view the file request. So get file will retrieve the file. Name is file 1.txt. View the file. So this is the content in that file. Now we are generating trapdoor and it will be encrypted. And here you can see this data, plain data, will be encrypted to encoded text and will be generating a key for this encryption. So this key will be transmitted to the user. Now getting our data. So this will get the key and click on decrypt to decrypt the data. Here you can see the decrypted file. And for this transmission we have to calculate the power consumption. So total power consumption is 616810 and total power generator. So this is the power station, power, capacity and time and date. So total transmitter is 5 and the capacity and the time. So now after the transmission we can see the available power here. So this is the available power and what are all the transmitter we have used. So we have used 2, 4, 3 and 1. So this is the transmitter order. So the power will be transmitted to 2 and then 4 and 3 and 1. And total power generator is here and the available power is the balanced power. Thank you for watching.